What's up, good people? How you doing? How we doing this evening? Hey, welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell, and do as the prompter asks you to do. Hey, we're just gonna come on right now, and we're gonna talk this time. Scout's Honor. 15 minutes, and I'm doing a hard Keenan Gray stop. All right, I'm gonna just put this right here where I can see it. So let's get right into it, good people. How you doing? All right. Hey. So let's talk about a few things, okay? I'm gonna just front in it, and so I don't run out of time. First, this is brought to you by Stock Up with You, where you can learn about stocks and crypto. Not just learn, but you can earn. Use coupon code EARN, right? So we're going to talk mostly about crypto on this one. As we could see, the indices didn't do well. It sold off today, right? You guys are, for you guys that's been watching me for a while, you know that this generally happens when? Before an FOMC meeting, okay? Then I got to show you this one last time, good people, because it just keeps climbing. Look at that. 1888 on quantum computing. It just keeps climbing, all right? But we'll do another show on that. Tesla's looking good. We're going to stick to Bitcoin. All right, so what I do want to cover, hey, what's up, good people? Why is IMX falling? You panicking? What's IMX? Where you at? All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it, good people. So let's, I'm going to start with MicroStrategy, and then we're going to go over to the overall crypto or Bitcoin situation that we have going on here, right? So I'm going to just quickly brush through MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is selling off because of the way that, that they are raising capital, right? And the way that their business is structured. But I just believe that that's short term. So for those of you that's taking the class, you've seen me do this, right? You've seen me go, and the yellow is MicroStrategy, the blue is Bitcoin, okay? And you could see that that was not the time to buy, because every time MicroStrategy expanded high above Bitcoin, it actually came back down. Remember, Bitcoin is the magnet that draws it too, right? But I actually like this, me personally here, right? And so, yes, MicroStrategy is 2 times leverage, but as you can see, Bitcoin keeps pumping and making higher highs up to 108 today before we had a pullback. But what did MicroStrategy do? Look at that. It started gapping wider. So what does Larry do? Larry, I actually buy down. Now, you have to understand that MicroStrategy is actually a stock and a crypto, okay? And it's easily spooked, and a lot of people get spooked out when Bitcoin is going up. How come MicroStrategy is not going up? Because it's a stock and a crypto. So what do I do there? I actually buy my way down. Now, listen, it could have a double-digit fall, but it could have a double-digit rise. So not only do you have to, when trading MicroStrategy, you have to watch what's happening with Bitcoin, but you also have to watch what's happening with the stock market. Follow? Hey, scared money don't make money. Now, what I do is I'm dollar cost averaging, and I'm buying my way down. But this time I'm patient to hold long. Now, if you're not patient, it could go red again tomorrow. Bitcoin could still be going up, stock market could go down, and MicroStrategy can actually turn out to be red. Okay, I'm good with that. I actually like this. I personally like this. I want to buy my way down as Bitcoin goes up, because when MicroStrategy turns around, that's when you see days that it's up, not 3, not 5, but 10, 15, 18%. That's when you see those big ramp ups, okay? So don't follow me. I want you guys to do what's best for you, because MicroStrategy could be red for days, weeks, okay? And if you're good with that, if you're cool with that, if you think Bitcoin is moving north in the short, long term, then you got to be okay with that, good people. I am. All right. And so, yes, it could be at the top of the range and then it could come down. And but this is what I like to see. OK, because it's leveraged to Bitcoin, but it's also a stock. Now, I had a lot of windows pulled up that explain what MicroStrategy is doing as it's leveraged, the way that they're making their money. There was another article here that was saying about, how smart MicroStrategy was by using convertible bonds. Mara is actually following also, as you can see here. See here, MicroStrategy did not raise these funds because they raised the funds by doing these zero coupon convertible bonds, right? By taking out loans, issuing more company shares. So that's what he did. But I think there's a big purchase coming, right? Though it has separately issued billions of dollars worth of equity rather than firms sold convertible notes, debt securities, which can be converted into equity on specific dates or under specific conditions, okay, and is not yet. Saylor and company intends to raise at least another 18 billion through such bonds over the course of the next 3 years, according to the plan laid out in October. So they're going to continue to buy. What are they going to do with the extra money? They're going to buy more shares of Bitcoin. You gotta understand the overall plan. All right. What's that? Do you have a free sample of the class videos? No, I do not. There's no free samples. I'm sorry. There are no free samples. Just you get it right here every day. Yes, the answer is yes. It's right here. Okay, it's right here. All right. And like I said, if you don't buy this, my class, just study, good people. Study. All right. All right. You know what? No, there's no free samples. But when you go into the class, you can actually see all of the lessons before you purchase, before you put in the coupon code. You can see all of the lessons. So maybe that may help you. OK. What happened? Larry made me bank on QUBT. Man, so many people got blessed on that play. I'm so happy for y'all. I don't know what to do, man. One person just told me that they made $10,000 over the last 2 months on QUBT. You scared me with your position size, but then again, I don't even want to say how much I made. Oh my God, it's a great gift. All right. So let's go into crypto because that's what this is all about. We could see here that hype is down. We could see that we mostly red, but for the day, we are hugely red. For the week, of course, we get a little better, right? So let's see what's moving right now because I want to talk about what's going to happen with the FOMC meeting. All right, so we got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and this particular crypto that we are not going to talk about today, okay? Well, I will a little bit. All right, so remember when Tether was in the third position? And this crypto that I'm not going to name because they're going to start playing those phony commercials on it. And I'm tired of cleaning. All right. So we could see that this one right here, this real popular one, has overtaken Tether and regained the third spot, which it had before, now with 146, okay, over 140. All right. So you can see by market cap, it has moved up. Right. And then BTC is the top dog. It's going to be that for a minute. All right. So I want you guys to think about this. OK, I'm running out of time here. I want you guys to think about this. If you believe. All right. So this was the halving and this was the run up. Right. And how much was that run up? This is not exact, but I'm just going to say this was the halving right here. OK, and this was the run up. And that run up was like 3,000%, right? And then we had another run up, right? Because we had the last halving. Okay, this was the first halving. This was the second halving, right? Then we had another humongous run up. But as you can see, the run ups are getting substantially less momentum, right? So then now here we are right here, all right, This was the halving we just had at the beginning of this year. And we have just started this run up. 59%, 60%? I think not. I think that we have a little more run up to do. So I could clearly see, not clearly, but I believe that we will at least hit 170K, okay, with this run up, at least. Now, you may say 200, you may say 300. I say at least 170-ish in this run up. So what does that say to you, Larry? That says that when I am buying my way down on certain plays like MicroStrategy, and I'm buying my way down as Bitcoin goes up, then I'm okay. Again, remember, MicroStrategy is a levered 2-to-1. So it could drop like it did today greatly, and it could drop really, really fast, right? And so I had taken some snapshots of my, let me show you guys this. This was, I believe this was, I posted this in my personal stock crypto club. These were some of the moves I was in, right? You saw that, right? And then that was in one day for those of you that's in my stock club. That was in one day, right? And then this is what happens the next morning. Look at that. And that was a swing trade in QUBT. And then MicroStrategy was up. But 4% on the amount that I have in there is a lot. So you guys could see what I'm starting to DCA in as far as stock that are crypto stock, good people. So I believe, again, that we could have a flash crash. It is normal for the market to sell off, stock market, the day before the FOMC meeting. It is normal for crypto to cool off the day before an FOMC meeting, especially when we don't know if he's in fact going to decrease interest rates by another 25 basis points, right? This happens every single cycle. And I've made money off of this FOMC play, what I'm going to call it, every single cycle. Now, don't get it twisted. If he says, I'm not going to cut interest rates, the Fed, Jerome Powell, if he said inflation is going back up and I'm going to freeze all future rate cuts, the stock market is not going to like that. And the crypto market is not going to like it. And they're both going to turn red on a dime. Okay, which means that my MicroStrategy positions will absolutely tank. Do you have stop losses on? I'm good. Okay, and so I just wanted to prepare you before the FOMC meeting tomorrow. All right, so that's what I want to front end this with. I got time for one or two questions, and we gonna end this. All right. Hey. We sold into tomorrow's FOMC meeting. That's cool, man. That's cool. I actually entered into a small play that I didn't want to share because it's a what do you call it? A lottery play. All right. It was a lottery play. Thoughts on SUI? Man, I'm still holding my SUI. And not turning my SUI loose. Not turning it loose. Yep. Hey, thoughts on ETH? ETH is a sleeper. ETH will probably wake up sometimes in March. Thank you. It's a great class. Yep. There you go. From someone else. It's a great class. I'm telling you guys, take it. Put in the coupon code EARN. EARN. Hey, Alex, that's my man, Alex. What's going on with the coffee cups? Roger. Yes, sir. Good answer, Unc. Whoever said that is trying to get the biggest piece of chicken. You know about the big piece of chicken, right? You know about that, Chris Rock. Thank you. He teaches very well. See? Yep. XYO, I don't have much XYO. I only bought up. We kind of swung that. XYO is not one that, now it could take off, but it's not like, for me, it's not like Bunk as a meme, which I still like Bunk as a meme. It's not like any of the memes I like, Shiba Inu, any of those. It's definitely not an XRP. Said it. Yeah, here we go with the commercials. Hi, my name is Jane, and I am with the Ripple team. Send me all your money so I can scam you. Be careful, good people, if you see a commercial like that, okay? And all right, Larry has made me money by telling. That's right, run towards the fire. Yep. Listen. Oh my God. Yep, because I'm strong enough to move that up that much. I'm big enough to move that up. Listen, I just want you, in all thy getting, get an understanding. There's a reason why it's running up, and if you literally just go and pull it up and do a little research, you will see why it ran up. Yep, and I'm the reason why Tesla is up too. Yep, I mentioned Tesla and it ran up. Whoo, I'm gonna just leave that one alone. That's okay. We're talking about crypto on this one. Let's I make bank on Tesla. There you go. There you go. Hey, that's it. That's it. You got to try some of that coffee. That's some good coffee. All right. All right, good people. I promised myself that I wasn't going to be on here long. Give me get one more and then we out. Hey. What time is Powell's speech? It's generally in the afternoon. All right. So check your time zone, find out where it is and what time it's coming on. All right. That's the FOMC meeting. And you may see big swings in both markets if he says something. And his decision comes out. It's generally in the afternoon, like 2 hours before the market closes. He'll give his decision, and then they have the Q&A. And sometimes they hit them with the got you questions that tanks the market, right, or causes it to rebound. But usually there's a sell-off while he's talking, and then it rebounds, okay? But we don't know, right? I'm going to leave it right there, good people. That's what I wanted to prepare you for tomorrow. Listen, I'm inviting you to invite me into your friend's house, your loved ones, all right? That's what I'm inviting you to do because I'm serious. I've made a lot of people a lot of money even now, and I want to help your family members. So please share me with your family members and then get them started. For the person that asked about the class, just get it. Just get it. And you're going to learn how to make money with stocks and crypto. Okay? Just read the comments. There are thousands and thousands of us. There's thousands that have joined this year alone. I'm just going to be honest with you. And everybody is earning and learning, right? It has a great rating and a very, very low price for all of the people that's in there teaching you and for what you get. All right. I'm going to leave it right there. Good people. Coupon code is earned. But let's keep our eye on this FOMC meeting. There's a ton of money to be made in stock market and with crypto. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.